n8n just dropped their new AI workflow builder right inside n8n. A few minutes ago, I asked it to create this tool, which is a social media trend analysis and content suggestion engine. It takes a content topic from a forum. It searches on Reddit, Twitter, and YouTube to find trends. And it comes back with topics I could post on about that are trending, that'll get the attention of people and drive more followers on each of those platforms. It comes back with 3 of those. And it also comes back with top accounts to follow in each of those and interact in those areas to help grow my account, and puts it in a document. Now, it pretty much built this automatically by itself with a couple of minor tweaks I had to do. For example, in this instance of n8n, I didn't have my Google Doc credentials, so I had to add that. And it did a doc create that it had at the end. So when it ran through, it created the doc, but it was just a blank doc because none of the stuff was in it. So now I've just kind of created the doc to the side here just to show you, and change that to an update the doc node. And we're going to run this and see what the results are. And again, this was natively built by AI. I want to share this thing instead. And we're just going to see what's trending with n8n today. And we're going to go back to share this tab instead. And as you can see, it's going through everything. It's already searched Reddit. Come back with 10 different posts. Filters to the top 3 results. Combine, passed it on to my AI agent, and it's going to update the document. And let me jump over here and I'll show you the document which I created is blank right now. And we'll get some stuff added to it in a second, but we're going to jump back and show you the results in a minute when this is done. So as you can see, the workflow is still running. It's gone through the first results with Reddit, done the analysis, and updated the document. It's now doing what it found on Twitter, and it'll do the same on YouTube. And the longer part of this is the AI doing the analysis here. And obviously it's doing the YouTube analysis now, as you saw that update. And the prompts in here were totally all done by AI. I just told the AI builder to build this for me. I said, hey, build me a thing that takes a topic from a forum and searches Reddit, Twitter, and YouTube for trending topics, and comes back with suggested topics and posts related to that, and comes back with people I should interact with and follow on each of those platforms to drive my audience. And as we can see, it looks like it's all done. So I'm going to hop over to the n8n document and see what we've got. Share this tab instead. And here's what it created. So let me get rid of that. Social media trend analysis on n8n. So let me bump this bigger so everyone can see it a little better. So this is for Reddit, a step-by-step guide to building your own n8n automation server, a detailed beginner-friendly guide post breaking down how to set up an n8n workflow automation server on a VPS, including POM and pitfalls. Trending posts around n8n focus heavily on do-it-yourself deployment and VPS, indicating strong community interest in self-hosting solutions, automation workflows. Writing clear and structured content fills this need. Suggested posting weekly. There's another thing on Reddit here. The second one is compare VPS providers for hosting n8n, which one is the best, and ask me anything running secure, scalable n8n workflows. Those are the things it recommends with some details. And there's another one here, showcase your custom n8n workflow, share and inspire. Twitter content suggestions, daily n8n tips and tricks thread. It goes into deeply what we should do here. A Twitter poll, which VPS is your go-to hosting automation tools. Highlight reel, top n8n workflow automations you need to try. And live Twitter spaces automating your workflow with n8n. So those are some examples. And then there's YouTube content, complete tutorial setting up n8n, top 5 time-saving n8n automation workflows for developers, n8n versus other automation tools, and interview with experts, scaling n8n for enterprise use. Those are some of the examples. And like I said, it also did accounts to follow on Reddit and why, on YouTube and why, and Twitter and why, and put some summaries and other people we should potentially, and how to engage with them, suggesting practices and topics. Not bad. And here are some other accounts to engage. Remember, it's telling us it ran through this 3 times, one for each platform, Twitter, Reddit, and YouTube. So we'll get this kind of stuff 3 times through as we're talking about the different platforms and whatnot. It's just the way that process works and how it adds the stuff to the content, and the thing formatted it. I'll have to go take a look to see if I can change that. But on a first pass, I'm going to say thumbs up for the n8n workflow builder. It's not too bad. It probably needs a lot of work, but I'm going to play with it. Pay attention here, and let us know what you think with it. And I'll have some more demos of this up in a bit.